and welcome to Miss Cheese News from Singapore. Today we're filming part 2 of our Harry Potter Illusion series.
It's the broomstick flying video.
So before we get filming, I'm going to give you a quick tour of our set so you can see how we managed to achieve this really cool illusion.
Let's get started.
Okay, so this is our little home studio, and behind me is our green screen. We have 2 light panels over here, and we have a lamp in the middle. For wind effects, we have a fan and a hair dryer. Okay, so on our flying table bench thing, we have our Nimbus 2000 broomstick. We made it with cardboard, tape, and paint and stuff like that. The bench is actually a table with a cushion on top, but we covered it with green cloth so that you can't actually see the real table. These are for clipping onto our capes so that our capes can kind of flap a bit. And that's basically it. Let's go flying.
So this is how we videoed our flying on a broomstick footage. I'm sitting on the broomstick on the table pretending to fly, while my sister is blowing my face with the hairdryer, and my mom and dad are flapping the corners of my robe with the green thread to create the wind effect. We even put the Harry Potter theme music on while we were doing it, and it was really fun.
Of course, we also needed some scenic background footage to fly about in, so we got ours from pexels.com. Just search for drone footage, select videos up here, and then you can preview the thumbnails by hovering over to find one you like. Once you've found something good, just click on it to enlarge and check through the whole clip, and you can just download it for free. Then, all you do is play your background footage in reverse and overlay your green screen broomstick footage to achieve the effect of flying forward. You can adjust the motion of the broomstick rider to fit the scene. Unfortunately, the lighting on the 2 different layers don't match up very well, so it doesn't look super realistic. But you can fiddle the color and saturation settings a bit to improve the look. Also, we added some shadowing underneath, like this. Finally, we add an epic soundtrack from the free YouTube audio library. And that's it! Now you can check out our finished video. It's coming up next!